welcome back to my channel. So today we got some cute little low pigtails going on. We got some baby hair action. We have so much lace to work with. As y'all can see, the lace is giving all the way back, full 13x4, which we love. So if you want to see how I got this quick little hairstyle, something cute and simple as always, then keep watching. All right, y'all, and this is the final look, y'all. First of all, I don't know what it is with my hands and like making pigtails, but I always make them like super on the sides and not further to the back, and I really just wanted it to be like a more further to the back type of bob. But this is cute too though. Like, we could do this. This is cute. This is real cute. And I also did notice too, I know y'all probably didn't even notice until I said something, but it's kind of bothering me a little bit, but I'm not gonna change it. I wouldn't see it too bad. But these baby hairs are a little bit longer than these, so I guess it just shows you if you cut your baby hairs a little bit shorter, you could get like a more uniform baby hair type of look. And if you do them longer, you could get more of like some extra swirls, circles, which is kind of my vibe anyway. So boom, this is gonna be my favorite style. This is gonna be the style I show y'all anyway. Other than that, thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. Shout out to Celie Hair for sending me this beautiful wig. Y'all know how I get with these big wigs. I do not want to wet this wig. I want it to stay as big and luxurious as it is now, because you still can see the waves, which is what we love. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you click that like button, comment down below, and let me know your thoughts. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from moi, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.